Sometimes you just want a delicious, simple burger, but you don't want to pay those exorbitant prices. So here's how I make an easy Beyond Burger with homemade fries. For this dish, we are going to be using sweet potatoes because we don't have regular potatoes. So we're just going to cut them into thin wedges and put them in a bowl. Now we'll drizzle the potatoes with plenty of olive oil. And we're just going to give everything a really good mix so that all of the potatoes get coated in that oil. This part is totally optional, but sometimes I like to cut up some carrots and throw them into the mix. So once everything is cut and coated with the oil, we're going to put it on a nice large baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure everything is laying flat, and now we're going to add plenty of salt on top. We're going to bake these in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. And now we're going to make some homemade burger sauce. So here we're grinding up some cloves of garlic and mushing them down as much as we can. Next we'll add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're also going to add some dried basil. To make it tangy, we're going to add about a spoonful of Dijon mustard. And for sweetness, we'll add a few spoonfuls of ketchup. We'll give everything a good mix, making sure it's well combined. And for a little extra tanginess, we'll add some lemon juice. This is also going to thin out the spread a little bit. Now in a large pan, we'll add plenty of olive oil. And we'll add some sliced red onions. Once the onions are nice and cooked, we'll just transfer them to another plate and set them aside. Into the pan, we've got plenty of sliced mushrooms. We're just gonna cook them down really well so they get a nice golden brown sear on them. Now we'll add the onions back in, and we're just gonna combine everything together. Into the pan, we will add our 2 Beyond Meat burger patties. Once they're cooked on both sides, we'll add back in the mushrooms and the onions. And now our sweet potato fries should be done. Just look at that. They got nice and crispy in the oven. For the bun, I'll be using ciabatta bread, and I'm gonna spread that delicious sauce on both sides. I want every bite to have that saucy flavor. It was a little bit tricky to get the burgers with the mushrooms and onions all together without it spilling everywhere, but I did okay. And now with our sweet potato fries, this meal is complete. Just look at that. I love burgers, and making a simple, easy burger at home that's a little bit elevated wasn't too much of a challenge. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy and tasty recipes.